Hi everyone, this is Keene with Honda of Keene, and this is the 2020 Honda Pilot EXL. You can expect some powerful performance specs in the 2020 Honda Pilot EXL, like a 280 horsepower V6 engine, a 6-speed automatic transmission, intelligent traction management in snow, sand, and mud, and you get up to a 5,000-pound towing capacity in this all-wheel drive model. Here on the exterior, we have LED low-beam headlights with the auto on-off feature. We have 18-inch machine-finished alloy wheels. We have a one-touch power moonroof with the tilt feature. You get smart entry with walk-away auto lock, a power tailgate, and up to over 83 cubic feet of cargo space.
Here on the interior, we have gorgeous leather-wrapped seats, complete with a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob. We have a 215-watt audio system with 7 speakers, including a subwoofer. We have an 8-inch display with high-resolution electrostatic touchscreen and customizable feature settings. We have Bluetooth hands-free link with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. We have available Blu-ray rear entertainment system with cabin talk remote compatibility, and you get the multi-angle rear view camera with dynamic guidelines. The 2020 Honda Pilot EXL comes with Honda Sensing safety and driver assistive technologies like collision mitigation braking system, vehicle stability assist with traction control, and so much more.
So, if you're thinking about the 2020 Honda Pilot, the EXL might have everything you need. So come on down to Honda of Keene, 567 Monadnock Highway in Swansea, New Hampshire, or visit us online at hondaofkeene.com. We cannot wait to work with you. Happy car shopping!